Zanyu Technology Group is the leading enterprise in China's surfactant, oleochemical, and cleaning or personal care contract manufacturing sectors, as well as a publicly listed company on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange. The group achieves an annual sales volume of 1.7 million tons, with revenue exceeding RMB 10 billion. Its products are distributed across over 100 countries and regions worldwide, with a strategic focus on Southeast Asia, Europe, America, Africa, and the Middle East markets. In 2024, overseas sales grew by 11%, reaching RMB 3.5 billion. The group's three major cleaning or personal care production bases, Henan Zanyu, Meishan Zanyu, and Jiangsu Zanyu form an integrated industrial cluster, making it China's largest high-tech enterprise in cleaning or personal care OM or ODM, with the highest production capacity, scale, and most comprehensive supporting facilities. Among them, Henan Zanyu serves as the core hub factory. Leveraging the geographical advantages of Qingdao Port and Tianjin Port, its 800,000 square meter industrial park establishes a full chain ecosystem encompassing raw materials RD production logistics. It manufactures a wide range of products, including laundry powder, concentrated powder, soap powder, laundry liquid, dishwashing liquid, laundry capsules, hand soap, shampoo, body wash, toilet cleaner, color-safe bleach, disinfectant, kitchen cleaner, and hard surface cleaner. The factory has built a direct supply system for surfactant raw materials, collaborating with packaging material suppliers such as plastic bottles, bags, and cartons, and basic chemical suppliers including soda ash, sodium sulfate, and liquid caustic soda within the industrial park, forming a synergistic industrial chain from raw materials to packaging to finished products. The company is committed to building China's largest one-stop cleaning or personal care contract manufacturing ecosystem with upstream-downstream industrial integration. Innovatively, Zanyu has established a top-tier intelligent manufacturing matrix, equipped with a fully automated spray drying system annual capacity, 200,000 tons of laundry powder, intelligent liquid detergent production lines annual capacity, 300,000 tons, small product lines, and dedicated workshops for disinfectant or cosmetics production, achieving full category coverage of home and personal care products. It also features a fully automated smart warehouse with stacker cranes, conveyor systems, and sorting robots, offering a storage capacity exceeding 40,000 tons. Certified by international standards such as British Bird and Cosmetics GMP, as well as ISO triple system certification quality, safety, and health, the company is equipped with over 90 advanced instruments, including gas chromatographs, mass spectrometers, and spectroscopes, establishing a comprehensive testing system covering physicochemical, microbiological, and packaging material analysis. It provides ODM or OM services for leading brands such as White Cat, Unilever, and Wilmer. By integrating supply chain plus intelligent manufacturing plus quality control into a unified model, Zanyu is redefining the standards of cleaning or personal care contract manufacturing and continues to lead industry innovation.